Using EndNote records with LaTeX. There are several applications for working with LaTeX and BibTeX files. For this example, I am using TextShop on the Macintosh. The steps for working with EndNote data in BibTeX and LaTeX might be somewhat different, depending on the applications you are using, but the steps for exporting data from EndNote will remain the same. In EndNote, select the references to export. Choose Export from the File menu. Save the file in a plain text format, using the BibTeX export style, with the option to export the selected references marked. Import the text file created by EndNote into your BibTeX application. Note that the standard BibTeX configuration and LaTeX styles do not support all the reference types and fields that EndNote does. Customization of your BibTeX application and LaTeX styles, as well as the BibTeX export style in EndNote, may be necessary for some EndNote data. When your EndNote references have been transferred, you can use them in your LaTeX files to create formatted documents.